G'day skate champions and welcome to Transition Tuesday Season 3 episode 22. Brisbane is in a snap lockdown, so we're all stuck at home and it's time to bring out the rainbow ramp. It's actually great timing because I received a package in the mail from Warren Leeds, a fellow YouTuber from Queensland, and he sent me a Dark Star skateboarding sticker which I can apply alongside the other stickers that I've been collecting. It's a little bit bare, so this big one is going to look really, really good. Also got Warren's own personal sticker from his channel, so that was a bit of a surprise. Thanks for that, Wazza. Let's get it here underneath Michael Jordan there, next to the Dark Star. Oh yeah! Now let's get into some tricks.
That was good.
Right, so I picked a trick that I hadn't got from the list, which is in a family, I guess, of tricks that I have got. The one I'm going for is a Fakie backside Feeble. I've got the Fakie backside Smith, and then I thought if I could just take that up to the next level, which is the Fakie back axle, and then just rotate a little bit further, I can get to that Fakie back Feeble. I went at it and I had a couple of things to contend with. The width of the ramp and the coping not protruding, because there wasn't a lot to lock into. There's always pros and cons to that, really. I went in to get to the Smith, and I just did heaps of them because they were a lot easier, and I was really struggling to get that little bit of extra height up to the back axle. The more I tried, the more I just fell into that Smith, and I just kind of edged myself higher and higher, and got a couple but couldn't roll away with them. Once I got the axle, it was all about just kind of rotating my right shoulder a little bit further and getting the trucks over onto the platform. This proved really, really difficult, and I just kept at it like non-stop. Again, just getting into that axle stall and just trying to rotate a little bit more. And I was really focusing on the pivot point here rather than doing the backside, like ignoring the backside element, which really puts me off, and just going for that sort of pivot point and trying to get in. It almost be a back pivot and then back in, but I really wanted to get the Feeble today. I got one where I couldn't roll away with it, and then once I got one, I just kept at it and got another one. And yeah, it was all about just sort of pushing yourself further and further past the coping onto the platform. Pretty stoked that I was back on the home ramp and able to get a new trick on it. These were very difficult to breathe in, but yeah, happy with this one today. Remember to stay safe, remember to keep skating, keep having fun of course, keep progressing, take it easy legends.
Just received this letter from the mail, and it's pretty good. I'm gonna put it on my near my collection of stickers and put it right underneath this professional dude.
Very good, very good.